I've garnered a lot of ideas that we have used in our bank from ICBA convention.
I've watched ICBA through social media for many years. To be part of it this year has been really exciting. I've gone to a couple sessions so far and I'm learning lots.
I've learned so much over the years. Coming to these seminars and you get ideas from the speakers as well as the people you meet.
They help us as bankers see how other parts of the country think of the different topics and the relevance to their communities and how we can implement them potentially in our community.
You're watching ICBA Live TV. I'm Karina Sullivan. We always get an awesome opportunity to sit down and talk to folks who are making a difference in the industry and in community banking. Steve Kinner, I am so happy to see you, Senior Managing Director for IntraFi.
It's really nice. We're back, we're live, and it's fun to be here.
To sit down face to face and look in your eyes. There's nothing like high touch and that face to face communication.
So true.
Yes, and you mentioned community bankers are so resilient. Wouldn't you say, Steve?
Oh,
I mean, we've
absolutely.
all learned so much from the pandemic. What's been the number one takeaway for you?
You know, I mean, for our company, it's locking up those core customers, right? So we invented reciprocal deposits almost 20 years ago. And we've been a preferred service provider of the ICBA for that long. But it's caring about the core customers. We've had to learn how to operate our branches differently. We've had to learn how to recruit talent as an industry. But for us, it's about locking up core customers. It's about thinking ahead now. I mean, the Fed's looking at, 4, 5, 7 rate increases in the next year.
Wow.
So, bankers need to be thinking ahead about how do I lock up funding now so I can have that cheap funding on my balance sheet down the road. So there's a lot to think about and a lot to learn at this convention.
I really want to encourage all of you community bankers to stop by booth number 306 with Steve.
306.
Tell us what folks can expect when they come by to see you.
In addition to our staff here, it's here to help you succeed and help drive your bank forward. We have a very exciting door prize. We're actually raffling off a Mike Eruzione 1980 Olympic hockey team autographed jersey. We'll have it in the booth and we'll ship it to whoever wins it. So we're very excited to have that today.
That's a big moment and a really big prize.
It's a big moment in sports history for the United States, without a doubt.
Yes. So what is next for IntraFi?
We're very forward thinking. We always have things in the queue. We're moving into the asset side of the balance sheet. We've always, we lived for 20 years in the liability side of the balance sheet. We're also adding some assets. So come on by if you're interested in looking for some kind of new ways to bolster up your lending, if you will. But we got a few things that we're not quite ready to announce, but we're very excited about. So I wish we could. I wish we were just quite ready, but be prepared. 60, 90 days from now, you see some exciting announcements from us.
All right, you heard it from Steve. Big changes on the horizon. Thank you so much. It's always nice talking with you and hearing about what's going on with your company. So many exciting things.
It is. My pleasure.
Yeah,
thanks, bankers.
Thank you, and be sure to stop by booth number 306.
You may have heard that Promontory Interfinancial Network has simplified its name to IntraFi Network. While we were at it, we simplified how we present our products, which have grown over the last 18 years. Instead of many products, we now have 2 core ones. The company's deposit products are now named IntraFi Network Deposits, and its funding products are now IntraFi Funding. We are still the same provider of overnight and term funding options, with the flexibility, higher capacity, and greater stability and reliability that you've always known. With IntraFi Network Deposits, we still offer the same wide range of deposit solutions, including our deposit suite, DDA, MMDA, and CD offerings, helping you manage your balance sheet while providing your customers with access to FDIC insurance, the highest per depositor and per bank capacity available, and the peace of mind of being able to make large dollar placements every business day. New name, same great company, same innovative network, same great people committed to serving our clients.
Hi, I'm Chris Ely, Managing Director for IntraFi Network, and I'm thrilled to be at this conference with you all this week. In fact, I want to invite you to join IntraFi for our Learning Lab session on Tuesday at 8 a.m., where we're going to talk about how your bank can thrive in today's challenging environment. Steve Kinner, Chuck McBrayer, and I will be talking about specific opportunities that your bank can leverage today to prepare for a changing liquidity environment in the future. We don't know when this glut of liquidity will go away, and we don't know exactly what's going to trigger it, but we do know it's important to be mindful and take advantage of some opportunities to prepare yourself for the future. I hope to see you there, and I hope to see you at the rest of the conference. Thank you.
What is this? No, not the game. That. You probably think Visa is a credit card company, huh? But get this. That name you see on everything is actually more like a signature. Visa is a network. It helps people move money from here to there and helps get this shopkeeper online so they can sell these jeans from the side of that mountain. It's the wizardry behind the scenes, connecting just about everyone to just about everyone else. It can open eyes with a cup of coffee and change minds about what makes a business a business. And it is working to connect everyone, everywhere. Everywhere you need to be, everywhere you dream of being, everywhere you fight to be. It's a key to anyone you want to be. Visa works to open doors all over the world, so more of us can play a part in this Commerce Day. So, meet Visa, a network working for everyone.
Hello bankers, and welcome to ICBA Live 2022. I'm Chuck McBrayer with IntraFi Network. We'd love to see you at booth 306, where we can talk about ways your banks can deepen relationships with your most valuable customer depositors, better manage public fund deposits, access stable and low-cost wholesale funding, or even shrink your balance sheet. While you're there, register to win a framed jersey from Mike Eruzione, captain of the U.S. men's hockey team that beat Russia in the famed Miracle on Ice. We hope you enjoy San Antonio and come see your friends at IntraFi Network.